Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful technique for leveraging large language models, prompt chaining. This is a game changer for creating complex and sophisticated workflows that go beyond simple single prompt interactions. As you can see here, we have a workflow with three distinct agent nodes. Instead of feeding everything into one LLM, we're passing the output of one agent directly as the input to the next. Why is this so useful? Let's break down the key benefits. Improved accuracy and quality. Each step focuses on a specific task. This specialization reduces errors and hallucinations, those moments when the LLM makes stuff up. Greater control. We can fine-tune the system prompt for each agent. Want to tweak how the outline is written? No problem. Want to refine the evaluation criteria? Easy. This granular control is crucial. Specialization. Different agents excel at different things. We can leverage this by assigning tasks accordingly. Think of it like an assembly line for ideas. Easier debugging and optimization. The linear structure makes it simple to pinpoint where things might be going wrong. If the blog post isn't quite right, we can examine the outline or the evaluation step. Scalability and reusability. We can easily swap out different agents or reuse parts of the chain in other workflows. This modularity is incredibly valuable. Let's walk through a real-world example. Creating a blog post about solution architecture. We'll use three agents: an outline writer, an outline evaluator, and blog writer. First, we input the keyword solution architecture. The outline writer, using a less expensive LLM like Gemini Flash, generates a basic outline. We don't need super high level performance here, just a starting point. Notice how we've configured this node with a specific system prompt. You are an expert outline writer. This tells the LLM exactly what its role is. Next, the outline is passed to the outline evaluator, powered by a slightly more powerful LLM like OpenAI 4o Mini. This agent scrutinizes the outline based on criteria like engaging introduction, clear section breakdown, and logical flow. It outputs a revised outline. Again, a tailored system prompt guides the evaluator. You are an expert blog evaluator. We also provide the outline as input. Finally, the revised outline goes to the blog writer using a top-tier LLM like o1 Mini. You could also use DeepSeek R1 or Claude 3.5. This agent generates the full blog post, leveraging the refined structure. The system prompt here is: you are an expert blog post writer, and the input is the revised outline. And here's the final result saved into Google Doc, a well-structured, comprehensive blog post about architecture. Notice the clear headings, engaging content, and logical flow. This is the power of prompt chaining. What's really cool is that we can use different LLMs for different stages. We're not locked into one model. This allows us to optimize for both cost and performance. The applications of prompt chaining are vast. Think about generating marketing copy and then translating it, cleaning and standardizing raw data before further analysis, creating detailed questions on a topic and then generating answers. So there you have it. Prompt chaining. This technique opens up a whole new world of possibilities for building complex and intelligent workflows. Experiment with different LLMs, refine your prompts, and see what you can create. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.